Like I'm gonna give you an example. Kitab. So kitab means a book. A a book is kitab. How do you say the book? How do you say the book? Hmm. Do you have any idea how to say the book?
No.
No? Let me tell you how do you say the book. Al. So these two letters, alif and lam, al means the in English. Al ha al kitab. Okay, Yumi. So we got two words here, kitab and al kitab. Can you tell me the difference between them? Kitab and al kitab. What is the difference between al-kitab and kitab?
The first one doesn't have the lam and alif, but the second one does.
Right. But the meaning in English, just tell me in English.
Oh, kitab and al-kitab.
Okay, you're just saying the Arabic, you're just reading. Tell me the difference in English.
Al-kitab and the kitab.
Kitab and the kitab. You just mix English and Arabic. This is a new language. You're making a new language, Yumi. Kitab is a book. Al-kitab, the book. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So, al is the. Al. Let's give you more examples. What is bait? The word bait, huh?
House.
Just the house, right? How do you say the house?
Al-bayt.
Raise your voice one more time.
Al-bayt.
That's it. Al-bayt. Al-bayt. So that's it. You need to add al to any word and you will get the and then you get the word definite word. So we change it from indefinite case to definite case. Do you know what I'm talking about? Definite and indefinite.
Yeah.
What is indefinite and what is definite?
Indifferent means.
Indefinite.
Okay, I don't know.
You didn't know?
No.
You didn't learn indefinite and definite in English
No.
at school?
No.
Do you learn English at school?
Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about indefinite and definite. Indefinite like a house, a book, a book. Definite is you're gonna add the al-kitab.
We do learn about that, but like the teacher never says those two words.
Okay. What do you learn in English at school?
You learn like
You live in UK. You learn English at UK.
yeah.
All right. Anyway, let's go back to the bayt and al-bayt. So bayt is house. Al-bayt, the house. Another example. Do you know any Arabic word? Just give me an Arabic word.
Give me a sec. Can it be toys?
Toy. Okay. Let's say a toy is لعبة.
Maybe.
So a toy. Let's write the English.
Arusaton? Arusaton doll?
What?
Arusaton?
What was that?
A doll.
A doll.
Yeah, Arusaton.
How do you say a doll?
Arusaton.
What?
Yeah.
This is an Arabic word?
Yeah. We, from Madrasa, we got a book and it.
Can you show me the word? Show me the word.
Yeah, it's in here.
All right. This, Arusa. Yeah. Good. Nice. How do you say it in Arabic?
Arusaton.
You didn't have to say tune. Just say Arusa.
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 Yes. So let's type it. Arusa. Arusa. What is the word arusa?
A doll.
A doll. Okay. How do you say the doll?
Al doll. I mean.
Al doll.
Al. Al Arusa.
What's wrong?
Al Arusa.
Al arusa. Al arusa. Not al doll. This is a new language. You're making your own language. Al doll. Al arusa. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you read from here?
Kitab. A book.
Al-kitab.
The first one or the second one?
No, just go to the next one.
Oh, okay. Al-kitab.
Al-kitab. That's a word.
Al-kitab.
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 Next one. بيت. بيت.
البيت.
البيت. عروسة.
عروسة.
ها.
العروسة.
عروسة.
doll. العروسة.
Great. You're doing a good job. So let me give you some words. Give you new words. And all you have to do is just adding al to these words. Let's get some words. قلم. So first دفتر. Next one. حاسوب. جوال. سيارة. Do you have any? Just Tell me a word.
Window.
What's window?
In Arabic.
نافذة. That's window. نافذة. Now, your job is making all of them definite, adding the. Let's get started from this word.
القلم.
القلم. Do you want to make it bit? Oh, let me zoom in. Zoom in. All right. So, yalla. The first word. What's the first word?
قلم.
Don't tell me the qalam.
القلم.
القلم. Okay. Next.
الدفتر.
الدفتر. You're not gonna say al here because it's lam shamsiyya. So you're gonna say الدفتر, not el daftar, because this rule is lam shamsiyya, and we're gonna cover this rule later, not now. We're gonna cover it later. الدفتر. All right. What about for hasub?
الحاسوب.
Good job.
ال ال الجو.
الجوال.
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 All right, next.
السيف. السيف.
السيارة.
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 You have to put the L for that one.
Yeah, you have to put L. But as I told you, this is the lam shamsiyya. So this is how you're gonna say it. السيارة. السيارة.
السيارة.
All right.
النافذة.
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 Do you want to sleep?
My eyes are hurting. My eyes are hurting.
Okay. Go for them one more time. Adding al for these words. But now go faster.
القلم. الدفتر.
الحاسوب.
الحاسوب. الشوال. السيفة. النافذة. النافذة.
النافذة.
النافذة.
Okay. Good job. You're doing a great job. So, now I'm gonna give you some pictures, asking you questions, and give me answers.
What?
Phone. So, my question. ما هذه? What's the answer?
ما هذا السيارة. Done.
Do not say ma when you give the answer. Just delete ma because ma is what?
هذا
And then say this word. هذه. Huh?
هذه سيارة.
This is right. Let's add al. If we're gonna add al, how are we gonna say it? هذه. Huh?
هذه السيارة.
هذه السيارة. Right. So now tell me the meaning, or tell me the translation in English. This one.
This. Which one? Both of them.
Yeah, just tell me the translation.
هذا السيارة.
هذه سيارة.
هذه سيارة.
Yes. What is the translation of هذه السيارة? What is the translation of هذه السيارة?
This is car.
Right.
And the next one is this is a car.
Both of them the same. You said this is a car for both of them.
I said
First one. What about the first one?
yeah. The first one is هذا.
هذه.
هذه. So the first one is this is car. And the second one is this is a car.
Wow. No. Wrong. Wrong. One more time. Just think about it one more time. What is al? Al.
Is it a or the?
Al is the, right?
Oh yeah.
So, what is هذه السيارة?
The second one is this is the car.
Right. That's it. Yeah, good job. I'll give you more examples, okay?
Yeah.
1 second. See my screen?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna ask about this one.
Oh my god.
Do you have a baby doll?
Not a baby, but yeah.
Okay, maybe you have a Barbie doll. This is our, how do you say doll in Arabic?
عروسة.
ما هذه؟
هذا عروس.
هذه
هذه عروسة.
right. هذه عروسة. No, عروسة. Can write it like this or even like this. Where is the تاء مربوطة here? Here's the تاء مربوطة. And you can say هذه العروسة. Tell me the difference, Humi. Tell me the difference.
Do I say it in English or Arabic?
Tell me the difference in English.
So the first one says this is dog. The second one says this is the dog.
Right. Good job, Humi. Good job. You're doing a great job.